Tired of wrinkled clothes ruining your professional look? Whether you're rushing before work or packing for a trip, the right ironing solution can save you time and frustration. Today, we're counting down the top 5 portable ironing machines that deliver professional results. Number 5. This powerhouse garment steamer brings professional-grade performance right to your home. With an impressive 1,600 watts of power, it heats up incredibly fast and maintains consistent steam output for efficient wrinkle removal. The folding design is genius for storage and travel, perfect for small apartments or frequent travelers. The handheld format gives you complete control to steam clothes while hanging, saving valuable time in your morning routine. What sets this apart is powerful steam penetration that works on stubborn wrinkles and thick fabrics like suits and heavy curtains. The household electric iron functionality means versatility in one compact device. Whether preparing for an important meeting or freshening up your wardrobe, this steamer delivers salon-quality results. For anyone who values their time and appearance, this is an investment that pays off daily. Check the description and comments for the link to grab yours today. Number 4. Here's a game changer for busy professionals and travelers. This 1,100-watt powerhouse combines serious heating with smart design features that make ironing convenient. The 20-second rapid heating means you're ready almost instantly. No more waiting when you're in a rush. The 300 ml water tank gives extended steaming without constant refills. The included cleaning brush keeps your machine performing at peak efficiency and extends its lifespan. The hanging capability is perfect for delicate garments, suits, and dresses you don't want to risk damaging on a traditional board. Business travelers love this for hotel rooms and quick touch-ups before presentations. The compact design doesn't sacrifice power, ideal for dorms, apartments, or limited storage. This must-have wrinkle removal tool combines convenience with professional results. Check the description and comments for the purchase link. Number 3. Innovation meets practicality in this brilliantly designed mini steam iron. The 180-degree rotating feature lets you tackle wrinkles from any angle with ease and precision. At just 40 watts, it's energy efficient, while delivering impressive steam power for quick wrinkle removal. Fast heating means you're ready in seconds, perfect for hectic mornings. College students and young professionals love this for dorm rooms and small apartments where space is premium. The compact design fits easily in any suitcase or drawer, ideal for travel, business trips, or keeping at the office for emergency touch-ups. This delivers serious performance on everything from delicate silks to cotton shirts. The folding mechanism is sturdy and reliable, designed for years of use. Whether heading back to school, furnishing your first apartment, or needing a travel companion, this steam iron punches above its weight. The link is waiting in the description and comments section. Number 2, speed and versatility define this exceptional portable ironing solution. The revolutionary 15-second heating time is among the fastest available, getting you ready in less time than finding your shirt. The 180-degree rotatable sole plate offers unmatched flexibility, letting you maneuver around buttons, collars, and seams with precision. This compact powerhouse handles delicate tweeds, silks, soft knits, and durable polyester with equal expertise. The lightweight design makes extended sessions comfortable and strain-free. Travelers and professionals appreciate the 110V compatibility, perfect for use across North America without adapters. The mini format delivers crisp, wrinkle-free results rivaling full-size irons. Whether touching up before presentations or maintaining your wardrobe during trips, this machine delivers consistent results. For anyone who values quality and convenience, this is essential. Find the link in the description and comments. Number 1. Taking the top spot is this revolutionary USB-powered portable iron. The USB power capability is brilliant, meaning you can use it anywhere, at your desk, in hotel rooms, even in your car with a USB adapter. This is ultimate portability redefined. The lightweight and heat-resistant design ensures safe, comfortable use during extended sessions. What makes this special is the burn-proof design engineered for delicate fabrics and knits that would be risky with traditional irons. No anxiety about scorching your silk blouse or cashmere sweater. The hanging iron format means you can steam and press clothes on the hanger, saving valuable time. Home use is convenient, but this truly shines for travel when you need professional-looking clothes without the bulk. The compact size fits in any carry-on or bag, perfect for business travelers, students, or anyone on the go. Digital nomads and frequent flyers have made this their must-pack item. Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.